Okay guys, this is what we did in today's class with two task 2 of with two task 2 automation mastery up. We're going to create a bot that will open this website and copy all these products and the price and the status. It's going to copy everything in this website. For the sake of time, we will not copy everything in the page or in the 50 pages. So we're gonna make it to be only on this particular page. We'll copy everything in this and we'll take it to Excel. So I'm going to close this right now. Then I'm going to show you our workflow. This is our workflow. So, and again, let me show you the file. This is the file where we want to write to sheet 1 product. As you can see, it's empty. So I'm gonna close it as well. So I'm gonna close it as well. It's empty. So let's see how the bot is going to copy everything from the website. Let's run. This is the workflow. So we're gonna run it and see how the bot is going to open the browser. If the browser is open, it will open another tab and copy everything in that page and take it to Excel. So let's take it to it has opened the website. So as you can see, it's copying all the record, which is the title, the price, and the status of the product. So as soon as I don't copy, it will open that product Excel file. It has finished opening it. I think it has closed the browser. So the next thing is going to open the Excel. It's going to open the Excel for us. Here is it. And it's going to write everything to it. That is it. So let's go and preview the file. Let's preview it. And here is the file. Remember, product it was empty, but now it's filled with all the record in the website, the price, and the status. This is what we call RPA automation. We're able to create a bot that did this for us, and that is what we'll discuss in our previous class. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to join our live session, watch our replay, and folks, subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, don't forget to use the comment section. You can share and like this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe or join our platform. Thank you.